Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the evening would make this invocation: we have entered the evening and the country has entered the evening for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. All praises are unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the one and alone. He Jalla Jalaluhu has no partner. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I beg to good of this night and the good of what lies in it, and I seek refuge with you from the evil of this night and from the evil of what lies in it. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge with you from indolence, senility, evil of old age, trial of the world, and the chastisement in grave. Another narration says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the one and alone. He Jalla Jalaluhu has no partner. His is the kingdom, and to him is praise due, and he Jalla Jalaluhu is omnipotent. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6847.